Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about Natco Pharma Limited. So as you can see, this is actually mainly into they've got a vertical integrated research development focused pharmaceutical company. So they are actually, you can also go through the details here. So they have got actually kind of export business formulation of 44%, and then domestic formulation of 15%, and they've also got active pharmaceutical ingredients manufacturing, crop health sciences, and other things. I don't want to go to the details, which you can read it yourself. So in terms of market cap, I think it is almost like 14,000 crores. It's kind of a safe bet. You don't need to worry too much, and also it's trading at almost like near to 52-week low. So one good thing is stock P is less, and ROCE and ROE is really good. As you can see, a promoter holding is also not bad, 49%. So this is actually a cash rich company. As you can, 7,500 cash or reserves they got, and number of shareholding also good. I think 17 crores only. So that's good thing. And pledge, there is no pledging. So you have to also look at the peg ratio. That means the expected growth divided by the PE value. If you multiply, it's coming to 0.06. If anything is less than zero point 0.5, it's kind of considered good. But you can also see, I think it's currently around 800 range only. So just to check the sales, I think one drawback is this one. The unexpected reduction of revenue has caused the stock price to fall down. Otherwise, I think they are doing good. If you see over the period of multiple years, the sales is always increasing from 2000. Now it has almost doubled within 5 years. So, and also as you can see, profit is also increasing except the last financial year. So they also got a good operating margin of around 45 to 50%. This is really good. So in terms of corporate action, recently they've also done in 2023 they've done a buyback. Apart from that, they also declared dividend of 6 rupees, I think, which is not shown here, but they recently in the AGM they declared 6 rupees dividend. But when compared to the share price, it's actually kind of negligible. But however, what I would like to show you is, yeah, the recent news actually, which I'll share you right away. The first news just it got actually 2-3 hours back. So they've got actually they won the case against one of the company, Roche. I think it's Netherlands company or something. They had actually filed a petition for one of the uh, medicine called Risdiplam, as you can read here. Yeah. So they had actually said that Natco Pharma cannot manufacture this generic drug because of the patent or something. But however, I think this is very crucial drug. If you see for the child's spinal cord or something, this is very important drug. It is also very expensive drug actually. If you see the price, it's almost like 15,000. As you can read here, 15,900 is the MRP for one of the drug. But that Roche was actually kind of, they had appealed that this medicine cannot be produced by Natco like that. So now, however, I think Delhi High Court has given dismissed the Roche's appeal, and the Natco has won the case. Since it is a high value drug, probably the margin also could be good to Netco. So let's see how the market reacts tomorrow. So apart from that, just to come back on other news. So one news is actually on the 2000 crore stake buy. There is a company called Artcock in South Africa. So Netco Pharma is investing almost like 2000 crores to buy almost like 35% stake in that company. This is to get rid of the uh, dependency on US market. If they also able to get into South Africa, this will give an advantage to this Natco Pharma for actually diversifying their portfolio into other markets as well apart from the US. So this is one news. This is actually currently ongoing, this acquisition part. Probably this can be completed by this year. And there are also recommendation, as you can see here. Nuama, this is a brokerage firm. They have given a target price of 1100, but they are also saying, this acquisition will also bring a increase of 7 to 9% EPS. So this is one of the news, I think, which is ongoing currently. Apart from this, there is also one more small news. It's not a big news, but Natco Pharma, actually, they are also planning to demerge their agro business. Actually, it's a very small business. They've got some 200 crores of uh, business they are doing. So they are actually thinking of getting rid of this full business, but probably, they will also uh, hold many minority stake in that. They don't want to, own this full company as a major shareholder. They want to get rid of this one and want to have only minor shareholding for helping the that company for any technical support or something like that. So this also an advantage. If you buy it now, you may get a shares of that company. Apart from these, if we can also quickly check shareholding pattern. uh, let's see what's going on here in the month of September. Is there any change here? Okay, this is still showing June month shareholding pattern, but as you can see, I think the FIs as well as FIs and DIs little bit increased, but they are selling, I think, because that's also another reason where the share price has been under pressure. So however, I think once they start showing the profit, then they should come back. Of course, there is also risk of, US market, where they've I think Trump has increased the tariff for the pharmaceutical products as well. Since, I think, for the special products only, but since this is a generic medicine manufacturer, this can have one advantage as well. So I think this is, considering the undervaluation currently, so this is a good bet. You can think of buying it. Of course, yeah, there is a risk of this Trump and all that. You need to keep it in mind. However, I think this is a cash rich company, and number of shareholding also is very less. So that's it for now. Thanks. Please subscribe.